multitudes of souls have died this day. Most of them have never found the way. The message that they need to hear is love. No one ever seems to get enough. Eternal love was well supplied the day that Christ was crucified for you and every man. Open your heart and you will understand. This message will be preached in every land. Judgment waits each man beyond the grave. Trust in God and then you will be saved. Christ has ransomed mankind with his blood.